Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform of NAVS Home School. Here, I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Now I am going to conduct your English language class for the students of class 1. And our today's topic is from your Enjoying Grammar Books, Lesson 20, Exercise number 4, Discussion. Okay, so let's try to solve it. Dear students, complete these sentences with the verbs in the brackets. Add d or ed to the words in the brackets. That means we have to add d or ed. Dear students, d or ed means you know that a verb contains three parts: present part or present form, past form and past participle form. Okay, so we have to change the form of these verbs, and we have to change it either adding d or ed at the end of the verbs. Okay, so let's try to solve it. The train was late. Okay, the train was late. We gave wait for a long time at the railway station. Dear students, the train was late. That means it's past tense. Okay, so it's past indefinite tense, which structure would be subject plus verbs past form then object. Okay, so we have to write its past form. So its past form is waited. Waited. Okay, then number 2, my grandfather gave plant this mango tree when he was young. That means when my grandfather was young, that means it also would be past tense, because when my grandfather was young, that means it's the incident of past. So we have to know its past form: planted, okay, so we have to write planted. My grandfather planted this mango tree when he was young. Number 3, last Sunday, that means it's also incident of past. Raj gave his room bracket clean. So cleaned. Okay boys, last Sunday Raj cleaned his room. Number 4, George gave his bicycle last week. Dear students, last week, by this word we can understand that it's also incident of past. So we have to use its boys. So we have to write its past form: painted. Okay, painted. Okay, so George painted his cycle last week. Okay, and now number 5, they gave the buckets with water this morning. Dear students, this morning means now it's not morning. The morning has already passed. So we have to use past form here: filled. So fills, past form is filled. We have to use they filled the buckets with water this morning. Number 6, we gave many games yesterday. Yesterday means it's also indicates past form. So played. We have to write We played many games yesterday. Number 7. It rained yesterday. The peacocks danced. Or in the bracket you will get dance happily. It rained yesterday. That means it's also the incident of past. So we have to use past form of the verb. Danced, danced. We have to use this past form. So danced. Last one, 8 number. Last Sunday, my father gave a pineapple. Bake. Distance last Sunday, it also contains the past form. So bake is in the bracket, baked, baked, baked. So it would be baked. Dear students, you have homework number 6 and it's also your vacations of Puja's homework. It's exercise number, enjoying grammar, lesson 20, exercise number 4. It's your vacations homework also. Okay? Dear students, this is all about today's class. I hope you all got understood today's class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.